Hi everyone, welcome to the Sequential Taillight Installation Guide for 1991 to 1992 Trans Am and GTAs. Here are the materials you're going to need for this installation. An electronic signal light relay. You'll need to replace your existing load-dependent relay with an electronic. The signal light relay is located under the dashboard on the driver's side. It is always recommended to solder and heat shrink your connections. Roughly 10 feet of 18 to 20 gauge wire. It is recommended to upgrade to LED taillight bulbs, but is not required. LEDs will simply make the sequence look more prominent. The wires on the left of the module are the input wires. On the right are the output wires. To begin, you'll need to remove your taillight housings from the vehicle to expose the wiring harness. The first wire will be the ground wire. Locate the black ground wire in the harness. The sequential module is typically installed behind the driver's side taillight housing. Cut the black ground wire of the vehicle's harness near the location that the module will be permanently installed. Solder the module ground wire to both sides of the harness ground wire. Next is the driver's side turn signal. Locate the yellow wire in the harness that is connected to the bulb marked LO. Cut this yellow wire. Be sure to leave enough wire on both ends to allow for reconnection. Connect the harness side of the yellow wire to the green left turn input wire of the module. Connect the bulb side of the yellow wire to the white wire of the module marked LO. We'll now have to address the brake wire. Locate the light blue wire in the harness. You'll notice that this wire connects all 4 of these bulbs together. We will need to disconnect all bulbs from the blue wire so they can be controlled individually. Connect the harness side of the blue wire to the yellow brake input wire of the module. Connect bulb LM to the green wire of the module marked LM. Connect bulb LI to the yellow wire of the module marked LI. Bulb RI will have 2 blue wires that were cut. You can simply solder them together and connect them to the brown wire of the module marked RI. Connect bulb RM to the red wire of the module marked RM. The last wire is the passenger side turn signal wire. Locate the thicker turquoise wire leading to the bulb marked RO. Cut the wire near where the module is located. Connect the harness side of the turquoise wire to the red right turn input wire of the module. Connect bulb RO to the blue wire of the module marked RO. And that's it. You can now test the functions of the module. Applying the brake will result in this sequence. Turn signals will result in this sequence. Applying the brake lights without turn signals for longer than 60 seconds will cause the taillights to perform a short, unique flashing sequence.